sitting here all day on our arses.
I've been one client. I've got magic hands.
I'm sure you got magic hands, but it's not that magic if none of the customers are coming in.
They'll come. They're coming.
You've been saying that for the past 2 weeks.
Stop moaning.
Alright, I'll try it, but you can't wait for the customers to come in. I'm not holding my breath. I bet you not one customer will come for the freaking door today.
Hey, oh.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello. Have a seat.
Right, let's get going.
Whoa. Me here yet. Sit down.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
Just sit and watch the master at work. Hello. Welcome to Alan's. I'm going to cut your hair today.
Right.
Would you like whoa.
What?
1 minute. I'll deal with the client.
I've got to deal with him as well. What am I supposed to do? Start yelling at you with the brush?
I pay your wages.
Not for the past 3 weeks, haven't I?
Zip it. How would you like a haircut, sir?
You just want a trim.
A trim?
That's okay. Yeah, just
Trim?
same style.
Same style. Okay, cool. No problem.
Right, you gotta look at this. We've got the punk, the mullet, and what's that one called?
It's called ecstasy.
Ecstasy, well, that sounds familiar, mate. Come on, you've heard one and it's I should. So you might want the ecstasy. I mean, come on, live fast.
You can have any one of those three or just a trim, it's up to you.
I've had some bad experiences with the ecstasy, so I think I'll just...
Oh, me too, mate. You're completely right. Sorry I put that in my head. So.
Yeah, but you sweeten or not?
Jesus Christ. You just said there was hair in the flare.
There's a hairy flare now as we speak.
You're a hairy flare.
Hairy flares like they had in the 70s.
Alright, calm down, mate. I can't catch all this. Are you sure he's doing a good job
Whoa,
here?
whoa, I'm doing the small talk. Believe me. You live locally, sir?
Yes, unfortunately.
Okay. It's a shithole nowadays, isn't it?
Tell me about it.
What's a shithole?
This place.
You just said that you have magic hands. It's going to be the best
No,
place in Dundee.
the village.
The village.
Is a shithole. It's going to ruin.
We're in Dundee. This isn't a village, mate.
There's only sunbed shops.
Sunbed shops.
Aye. Second-hand shops.
I can't
And
see.
barbers.
I know. We're going to hell. Not
Did
my
you-
mask yet.
I made that sign for you. Not a golf sale sign. You want to go outside and stand with that for a couple of hours.
What's
Get
to do with
get
that?
some business.
There's no hair on the flare, man. What am I supposed to do?
Well, why don't you sit down, watch the master at work and learn?
You keep on saying that, but you just keep on cutting chunks of his hair.
This is professional.
Professional. Alright, I can sweep better than what you can cut.
So where it's called a continental quilt.
What the hell's a continental quilt?
You never heard of that before?
No. But before my time.
Yeah.
How old are you again?
Me, 28.
Right.
So how long have you worked in TK Maxx, sir?
Oh, just 6 months.
6 months. And are you enjoying it?
You know, if you go on us, it's that'll be a year.
You get fannies like him as customers?
Oh, every day.
Yeah. Like the man in there.
I don't take this to be a skin that I can quit any time.
Mass shooting at TK Maxx. You see it?
Mass shooting at TK Maxx.
Excuse me. You just deal with it. Look, here's some hair for you.
Okay, well, hey, Alice.
Is that at any time of the week or are you just a weekend?
You know what?
Did I tell you you got a microwave?
Hmm?
The microwave's going off.
Right. Aye, well, get the pot noodle through. I'm starving.
You didn't put a pot on the microwave, did you?
Yep.
Did you put water in it?
No, you meant to put water in it.
If it goes up, it goes up. It's not my problem.
Aye, sorry. I'm not quite right.
Never trust.
Unfortunately, there isn't that many good
Never
places.
trust women.
All places
Where do you like to go? What's your haunts?
You're not listening to us.
What, sorry?
Never trust women, because you know what they do to you?
What?
They rip your heart out of your ass.
Oh, right. Oh, so you've been hurt then, have you?
I'm not even going to dignify that with an answer.
Excuse me. Ignore him. The perforated.
What you got tape here for? What did they done?
I've got to tape your gob up.
This
Hey,
one, what,
Amelia.
need duct tape for that?
You're a duck.
No, just, I've got a big one. I'm not, no, you, oh, no.
Eh?
How long does it take you cut hair?
I'm chatting to my customer.
You've chatting for an awful long time, you're more
I'm
interested
asking
in
him.
chatting when you have the haircut.
He's got stuff to tell me. I'm interested. See,
what are you telling
you're
him?
only interested in one thing. Your voice. You want to
You've
wrap
got
up?
such a brilliant voice.
Here's my tape when I need it. Is it now?
Oh, thank you very much, Alan. That's bra.
This is called my tiny brush.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
sorry, watch your chest there. That's alright, not wearing it, but I don't
You
want
did, Tom. You put
it.
me in on.
Itchy tits there. Don't want that. There.
Jesus.
Yeah. Well, actually, that brings me on nicely to some of our other services we offer, sir. We have a back sack and crack service. Would any of that interest you?
I mean, the wax is pretty brutal, but once it's done, you feel like a new man.
Okay. Listen. We've potentially got a bit more business here.
I'm just
You wanna
telling them, man.
You want to sit down and just be a bit quieter, please?
I can't sit down.
Do you want to stand up and shut up then, please?
But that's not possible. If you're standing up, you're standing up for a purpose, and you can't just shut up.
So anyway, we've not got the highest quality wax, so I mean, it's a bit of a painful service, but if you do need anything done, we'll sell it to them then.
I'm trying to, but you tell me to shut up at the same time.
We're just not hitting it off, you know that, eh?
We've not been hitting off
You're
since
on
we
a
started
sticky
working
wicket, pal.
here. No, your coat's on a
You're on
sticky
your
wicket, pal.
8th written warning today.
Well, I thought it was 10, but if it's 8, I can go even more, can't I?
Please, are you going on any holidays this year at all, ever, sir?
Are we going to be to Tokyo later?
You're going
in the year?
Tokyo?
Yeah.
Oh, they do. They've got pants and vending machines there, haven't they?
What?
Pants
Oh, they got
Vending
everything.
machines.
and vending
Oh,
machines.
imagine you had an accident, you just go to a vending machine. Oh, I'm going to Tokyo. Can I join you?
Start saving your wages. Start saving your wages.
How can I save? That would save me for 10 years for the wages you gave me.
So Tokyo, that sounds interesting. Yeah, that sounds good. Anything particular attract you to Tokyo?
I think it's a sumo wrestling.
Oh, great. Aye, Dylan. I think Dylan's thinking of taking that up, actually, aren't you?
Yeah, I can see
Is
that.
sumo you do?
Something like that.
Oh, you just wear a nappy, don't you? That's sort of sumo. I'm in the middle of creating a sculpture here.
Sculpture? He's calling you a sculpture, he's basically calling you a gargoyle.
I don't think that's what he was implying. I think
No, he said sculpture.
It's more sort of fine.
What's a sculpture? It's a gargoyle.
More fine art sculpture.
What?
You want to wrap up?
Yeah, that's perfect. See him up. He doesn't wash his scissors afterwards. That's a trade secret. He thinks we're killing business.
I'll trim everything with these.
I just like to be honest, because I speak the truth, and I know the truth. He doesn't wash them scissors, and then comes. We had somebody in here with lice the other day, he still never fucking washed it.
Do you know I actually cut my grass with these?
And that's all I've
scissors
run
as well?
business for the past God knows how long.
Sorry we don't actually have mirrors in here. We feel it makes clients more comfortable when they don't have to stare at themselves in the mirror, so
I definitely appreciate that.
that's no problem at all. We also do kind of extra services. We offer contraception. And we have Viagra. I don't know if it's in interest.
I already have all those things.
You have all of them.
You have Viagra? You're a pretty young guy, what do you use Viagra for?
You know, sometimes you just need a boost.
Yeah, I get that. No, I sell a wee bit of Viagra on the side, just look at it. Oh shit, sorry.
It's quite comfortable.
Yeah, the guy's comfortable, right?
Yeah,
He's
well,
at his ease.
maybe if you fought
You're
it for a real
making
barber
the guy-
chair.
You're making the guy feel a little bit uncomfortable, okay?
I mean, if you're uncomfortable, you just
You've
offer him
got
Viagra.
such a spiky
contraception.
attitude. Well,
You just offer him
you've
Johnny's
got-
and
you've got to be sensible.
What's
You know?
it, Viagra?
If you're going to take the Viagra, you've got to, cover
But
your
you're
wares.
dishing it, mate.
Yeah.
I'm just,
But you're selling it. Not legally. Get our website done and get that pot noodle.
I can smell it. What was it?
You
Chicken?
smell Viagra? Does it have a smell?
Sure.
If you mix it with a pot noodle, it will. Maybe.
Yeah. There seems to be.
Some of these hard lice.
We need to work out what's going wrong with this salmon.
Lice! Sorry, we haven't got lice. I've not got lice. I don't know about him. His hair's too short to get lice. Mine is.
That's why I've got
Just
short.
like I say.
That's why I've got short hair. Once. Remember? The last client.
Yeah.
The lice.
I
guy.
thought, but what about the dumb?
You just want to keep sweetening up.
Alright.
Do you like custard cream, sir?
You know, Viagra tastes like custard cream.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're buying the wrong Viagra, Alan.
No, mine doesn't taste like. Mine's is bitter.
Yeah. Mine
Even
tastes
though
like,
I
mine,
don't take
mine
it,
tastes like
it's bitter.
cider.
Cider.
Yeah.
Cider Viagra.
Oh, yeah. Like really bad cider, like
Like
puking
white
your
lightning.
tits up cider.
So this is called the reverse emo cut.
Oh, I can see what you're going with.
See what I've done?
I see what you're
See
going
what
with.
I've done?
I actually agree with you on something now.
I'll just get my wee battle actually. My tiny brush. I'll put some hair back on the flare for you.
You're fucking it over me. I've got to hold him like this. What is that?
Where are those GHDs gone? Straighteners, remember?
Oh, there we go. I was strapped for cash.
So
Well,
you
yeah, well, how else
stopped,
are we still paying the electricity bills in this shithole?
you stopped straightening your pubes? You stopped? Is that over?
Well, it needs must if you have to pay for the electricity.
I'll just show you the back, sir. Is that okay for you?
I don't know, there's no mirror. in
Well,
front
yeah.
of me.
Oh shit,
Do
there's
you
no
know what
mirrors.
curly whirlies like?
Eh? Okay.
Curly whirlies.
No, I don't. I'm completely back sack and crack. I'll just clean up your
No.
neck with our clippers, sir.
Yeah, that's fine.
You heard the shut, man. No what a day. I won't get it.
But the battery's run out. Shh. Make a buzzing noise. Keep going.
Sorry, it's out of order.
Thank you.
That's off.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Well, thanks very much for coming to Alan's hairdressing salon. I hope that idiot hasn't put you off and you will visit again. Thank you very much.
Okay. Look, you've done good, yeah.
We contact us.
Yes. Contact us.
Yeah. Just beat that.
You're thinking about the future, mate. I think you have a credit card.
Thank you. Well, listen, thank you very much. You have a nice weekend and enjoy Tokyo, and thanks for coming to
Thank you
salon.
very much.
Say bye to me. Bye.
Remember, any Viagra, contraception, haircuts, we do it all, mate.
Right. See you later, my man.
Take care.
Get a seat.
Pretty sure you'll come back.
Correct.
Yeah, how are see us? We're unstoppable.
You're unstoppable.
I know, but I'm trying to make you feel better about yourself.
I think we can do it. I think we've got the makings of a business idea here.
Yeah, I know.
I think more Viagra will.
More Viagra, yeah, definitely.
So anything else we can improve on in your experience? How was that for you? That
Yeah,
haircut?
right,
I felt
but
you were a
I
bit,
think you should-
You're a bit mouthy. You're a wee bit mouthy.
I was just excited because it's the first customer in 3 weeks.
You're still white.
We've
full
got to put
on.
on a performance, man.
You're quite full on.
He didn't mind. He didn't leave halfway through the haircut, did he?
He was trying to get out the seat. I had him taped in. That's what that tape's for. I had his wrists taped to his teeth. Felt like some sort of serial killer.
Sneaky fucker.
Sweeney Todd.
No, can't do that.
No, no start that.
I don't like mince pies.
No, me neither.
No, that's...
So anyway, you want to go and get your lunch?
Yeah, oh shit, I thought you'd have